To go from grey to black, we need to rotate it, and we're rotating that way, which is clockwise. So it's a rotation 90 degrees clockwise. Where's the centre of rotation? That's the point that works. That's -4, -1. It's time to go from grey to black. It's another rotation, but this time of 180 degrees. Where's the centre of rotation? There, so that's -1, -1. 80 is 2 to the 4 multiplied by 5. 280 is 2 cubed multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So we've got a 2 and we've got a 5. Lowest power of 2 is the 3, so 2 cubed multiplied by 5 is our answer, which is 40. (96) is 2 to the 5 multiplied by 3. 168 is 2 cubed multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. They've both got a 2. They've both got a 3. And the lowest power of the 2's is cubed. 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 is 24. 21 is 3 times 7. 35 is 5 times 7. So lowest common multiple is a 3, a 5 and a 7, which makes 105. 8 is 2 cubed. 20 is 2 squared multiplied by 5. So we've got a 2 and a 5. Highest power of the 2's is 2 cubed. 2 cubed multiplied by 5 is 40. Positive power, so the zeros at the end, so I can write 1, 4. Decimal point started between the 1 and the 4, and it's going to move 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in all the gaps with zeros. Negative power means the zeros are at the beginning. Decimal point was between the 2 7's, and it's going to move 1 place. Make sure we don't lose it, we're going to put a 0 in front. 3 is just 3. I haven't got to change it, so it's times 10 to the 0. This one, put the point between the first two non-zeros, so 2.73 times 10. Got to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, and the zeros at the front, so it's -5. 9.5 times 10 at the bottom, -3, plus 2.3 times 10 at the bottom, -1, is 0.2395, but to give it in standard form, we need to put the point between the 2 and the 3. So that means I've moved the decimal point 1 place, so it's 10 to the -1. Mean from a table means I've got to multiply the pairs. and add up all the answers. Which makes a total of 113. And then I've got to divide it by the total of all the frequencies, so 2, 1, 8, 0 and 9. Which makes 20. 113 divided by 20 is 5.65. The median, so I've got to write them out, so I've got to write 9 number 2s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number 4s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 5s. 9 6s. 5 7s. And 8 8s. And then I find what's in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the back, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. I've got 2 number 5s in the middle, so I'm going to add them up and divide by 2. And that equals 5. So the median is 5. I need the midpoints, so the middle of 20 and 40 is 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. Then I'm going to do the multiplying in pairs and add up all the answers. That gives me a grand total of 1,080, and I'm going to divide by all the frequencies, so 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, 2, and they add up to 12. 1,080 divided by 12 is 90 exactly. Find the mean, well I need to add them all up. That makes 60. Divide by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 10. Find the median, I need to put them in order first. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. Then find what's in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 is in the middle. To increase, we start with 100% and then we add the other percent, which makes 185%. We're increasing 45 millimetres. New percent is 185. Percent means over 100. 40 times 185 over 100 is 46.85. Question was millimetres, answer will be millimetres. A decrease means we start with 100% and then we subtract the 89%, which leaves me with 11%. I'm decreasing 730 by 11% means over 100. Gives me an answer of 80.3. Question was centimetres squared, answer centimetres squared. Nine add 1 makes 10, and I've got 50. So to get from 10 to 50, I've got to multiply by 5. So I'm going to multiply both of those numbers by 5. 9 5s are 45, 1 5 is 5. 7 add 4 makes 11, and I'm sharing 33. To go from 11 to 33, I multiply by 3, so I'm going to multiply both of these by 3. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Got £13, and I want 23%. Percent means out of 100. Which is 2.99. So £2.99. Interest means I start with 100% and I add the percent, which is 11, to get 111%. I've got £77,400 multiplied by my percent, which is 111 over 100, but I'm doing it for 5 years, so I raise that to the power 5. Which is 130,423.5012. So £130,423.50.